What's good? It's your boy Scrap. I'm back, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about online battle rap. I'm gonna tell you how to battle online, and I'm gonna tell you all the do's and don'ts in online battle rap. Online battle rap is so great because you don't have to go anywhere. You can do it from the comfort of your home, from the back alley, from the bathroom to the bedroom to, in the woods. Wherever you're at, you can do it. And that's one of the biggest things that a lot of struggling artists struggle with is, well, making it to their battles. Not only is battling online a great pastime, but in many cases, it can get you paid. If you're a rapper and you want to know where you fit with all the other rappers, you can do it from the comfort of your home, signing up for an online battle. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link a couple of these online battle leagues. Shout out to Bond Squad, of course. I'm affiliated with Bond Squad. I help behind the scenes and whatnot. I'm an official judge of Bond Squad. Shout out to Spit Your Bars. Shout out to Bars. Shout out to Gold Mike. It's my second home when it comes to online battle rap. I got a battle on Gold Mike with like 15,000 views on YouTube. That one was Scrap vs. Harlem. It's a great battle. Alright, let me give you a few things that you need to avoid doing if you're considering doing an online battle. Number one, turn the camera sideways like I have it. Not like this, like this. Yes. Number two, turn the lights on or stand directly underneath one as I'm doing right now. Number three, speak clearly and loud and make sure you're pronouncing those words. One thing that you don't have the luxury of is one take. In an online battle, you can record this video 1,000,000 times. 1,000,000. Before you find the one that you want. And the judges know that, so their expectations are higher than somebody judging a live battle. Live battles can often be more about jokes and who has more friends in the room. And that's the beauty of battling online, because when you battle online, well, people get to rewind it and rewind it. They have time to figure out every single line. Your bars, your punches, they really get to hit when you battle online. Battling online is one of the best ways to sharpen your craft. I'm telling you guys, I've done over 100 online battles. And before I started doing battles, well, I was a way different type of guy. I mean, I was still tight, don't get me wrong, but I would be nowhere near the lyricist I am today had I not done all these battles. And I've lost plenty. I've won many. And I've battled great people, and I've battled sorry people. But from it all, what I take away is experience, knowledge, and I got journal after journal after journal full of fucking bars. I mean, come on now. I could use those again if I go live. Battle rap and online battle rap are almost two different worlds, guys. See, if I'm battling for a crowd, I can say yada yada yada, pause, listen to everybody laugh, and take my time, spend 8-9 minutes on 2 or 3 minutes worth of material. Where when you're on the phone, a camera, you just sit there and you squeeze every single fucking word you can and get into that minimum time limit. Like, you usually have a limit of 2 to 3 minutes depending on which league you're in, and most of the leagues is about a 3-minute cap, and that's more than enough time for you to get your body in. With leagues like Bomb Squad Battle League with 1.6 million followers on their Facebook page, well, they're offering ad break revenue to their battlers. Even judges such as myself, where if your video or your battle reaches 10K views, well, that's roughly $10 in your pocket. So you get 100,000 views, well, that's $100. All you did was battle from the comfort of your home. I know leagues like Gold Mike where they have like $500 tournaments where they take 8 men, right, and they have a tourney. You battle eliminate to the best guy. The best guy walks out with, whether that be a chain, a new shirt, $500. They do different things depending on the day, depending on the card, depending on the competition, really. I really want to see you guys get out there and join the online battle league, starting with Bond Squad Battle League. Honestly, if you guys think you're worth it, battle me. I'll be your first opponent. You could be my first victim of the year. It's scrap. Hit that like and subscribe. Remember guys, if you're considering doing online battle rap, find the link in the description below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's scrap.